The best-selling crimping tool isn't always the right one for your job, and that's the truth no one tells you. What looks good online might fail when you actually need it. So today, we're cutting through the noise to find the real winners based on real use, not just popularity.
Product number 1, WGGE WG-015 Multi-Tool. The WGGE WG-015, a compact all-in-one wire stripper, cutter, and crimper that costs under $10 but feels surprisingly solid. It's made of high-carbon steel, which means it won't bend or dull easily, even with daily use. If you want a budget-friendly tool that handles basic electrical work without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It strips 10 to 22 AWG wires. That's the standard range for most home wiring, automotive repairs, and small electronics. The curved, non-slip rubber grip reduces hand fatigue, which is huge if you're doing multiple connections in one session. Plus, it crimps both insulated and non-insulated terminals, so you're not stuck switching tools mid-job. With over 10,000 sold last month, it's clearly trusted by DIYers and pros alike. Now, some people complained about the crimping jaw feeling a bit loose over time. Here's the thing though, for light to medium use, it holds up fine, but if you're crimping heavy gauge cables daily, this might wear faster than expected. Still, for occasional use, totally reliable. This is perfect for you if you're a weekend DIYer or electrician on a tight budget. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty crimping for industrial cables. At under $10 with a 24-month warranty, it's an insane value for the price.
Product number 2, AMZ-CNC Hammer Lug Crimper. If the WGGE's manual crimping feels too weak for big cables, this AMZ-CNC Hammer Crimper takes a completely different approach. Designed for 8 AWG all the way up to 4/0 gauge, that's massive battery and welding cables, this thing uses a hammer to deliver serious force. If you work with car batteries, solar panels, or heavy machinery, this is built for real power. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Instead of squeezing handles until your hand cramps, you load the lug, place it in the V-groove base, and hit it with a 2 to 4 pound sledgehammer. One strong hit gives a solid, uniform crimp every time. No springs, no moving parts to fail. Just reinforced steel construction that lasts. It's ideal for secure, high-current connections where safety is critical. Now, some people complained it's messy and loud. You can't really use this indoors without making a racket. Here's the thing though, that's the trade-off for raw power. This isn't a quiet office tool. It's for garages, job sites, and workshops where performance beats convenience. This is perfect for you if you're dealing with thick cables and need bomb-proof crimps. Skip this one if you're doing delicate electronics or hate using a hammer. At $14, it's a no-brainer for anyone working with large gauge wiring.
Product number 3, Klein Tools VDV-226-110. That was a solid option for heavy cables. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for networking and data work. Meet the Klein Tools VDV-226-110, a ratcheting crimper built specifically for RJ45 and RJ11 connectors. If you're running Ethernet cables or setting up home networks, this is the pro choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It combines a wire stripper, cutter, and crimper in one tool, so you don't need 3 separate devices. The pass-through RJ45 design lets you see the wires go all the way through the connector. That means fewer miswires and failed connections. The full-cycle ratchet ensures you complete the crimp every time, and the flush trim cuts excess wire cleanly to prevent shorts. It even has a built-in wiring guide to help you avoid mistakes. Now, some people complained it's expensive for a single-purpose tool. Here's the thing though, if you're doing more than a few network installs, the time saved and reliability gained make it worth every penny. Cheap crimpers often fail mid-job, and that frustration costs more than the tool. This is perfect for you if you're installing home networks, security cameras, or office data lines. Skip this one if you only crimp cables once in a while. At $50, it's an investment, but one that pays off in speed and accuracy.
Product number 4, Plus Tool Ratcheting Heat Shrink Crimper. If you're working with heat shrink connectors, common in automotive and marine wiring, this Plus Tool Ratcheting Crimper is a game changer. It's designed specifically for AWG 2210 heat shrink terminals, and it delivers consistent, damage-free crimps every time. If you want clean, waterproof connections without melting the insulation, this tool gets it right. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ratcheting mechanism ensures full compression before releasing, so you never undercrimp.
The adjustable star wheel lets you fine-tune the force, crucial when working with delicate heat-shrink tubing. The colored die nests make it easy to match the right connector size, and the ergonomic rubber grip reduces hand strain during long sessions. It's widely used for car repairs, boat wiring, and appliance fixes. Now, some people complained the adjustment wheel can be tricky to turn with greasy hands. Here's the thing though, once you set it for your project, you usually don't need to adjust it often, and the trade-off is worth it for the precision you get. This is perfect for you if you're into automotive or marine electronics. Skip this one if you only use standard insulated connectors. At $16, it's a steal for the quality and specialization.
Product number 5, Brylane 10-ton hydraulic crimper. If you need maximum power and precision, the Brylane 10-ton hydraulic crimper is in a league of its own. With 9 included dies and a crimping range from 12 AWG to 2/0, it handles everything from thin control wires to thick battery cables. If you're doing professional-grade work, this tool delivers industrial strength. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The hydraulic system applies even massive force, 10 tons, without straining your hands. The hexagonal dies are precision machined, so crimps are tight and consistent. It even works with stainless steel cable railings, making it great for outdoor and marine projects. The ergonomic vinyl grips and quick die changes make it surprisingly user-friendly for such a powerful tool. Now, some people complained it's bulky and overkill for small jobs. Here's the thing though, if you're crimping large lugs regularly, nothing else compares. But if you're just fixing a lamp cord, yeah, this is massive overkill. This is perfect for you if you're a professional electrician or serious DIYer with heavy-duty needs. Skip this one if you only do occasional repairs. At $40, it's pricey but justified for the power and versatility.
So, which crimping tool is best? For budget basics, go WGGE. Need brute force? AMZ-CNC Hammer Crimper. Networking Crow? Klein Tools wins. Heat shrink precision? Plus Tool delivers. And for heavy-duty power, Brylane's hydraulic tool is unmatched. Each one solves a different problem, so pick the one that matches your real-world needs, not just the bestseller.